Welcome everyone to today's video. My name's Amir and this is the Skoda Fabia. A brand new vehicle and one of the best little super minis out there. It is a great car and all the more reason to protect it. So this client opted to go for the Thinkware Q200 dash camera, one of my favorite dash cameras that gives you a really crisp image at an affordable price range. Now, this client, as you can see, is a driving instructor, and these cars are on the road all day, every day, with drivers who aren't maybe as confident as normal, and so protecting them is really, really important to not only their insurance, but also peace of mind while these cars are out on the road. So what we've installed on this car is the Thinkware Q200 two-channel system. Now what that means is a front camera and a rear camera, giving you protection around the vehicle, front and rear, in case of any accident, if that ever happens. The Q200 is a really good compact camera. It doesn't take up too much space, but it still gives you full functionality from its bigger brothers like the U1000 and the U3000. Still giving you full connectivity on the Thinkware app, which again is one of the best in the market, giving you really easy, simple to use guides on how to download your footage, how to access any camera or live view that you want to watch. It's a really nice and easy system to use, exactly what you need if you ever do get into an accident and are in that stressful situation. Now, the idea to go for a front and rear camera is really, really important. I tell the story all the time with people I know that have got into accidents where people have hit them from behind and not had any record or any visual evidence of what actually happened. So having a rear camera is really, really important, just as important as the front camera in my opinion. Now, the Thinkware range is one of my favorites again, as well as Blackview, because it has the availability to add on a parking battery. So what that means is you can add on a parking battery so this camera keeps recording even when you're not with it. You can lock it, turn it off, go into your home, go into your shops, and this camera will keep recording even when you're not with the car. So any parking dings, anything like that, you will still have a record of them, and the car will actually tell you when you get back in it that it's occurred and seen an event, and you can again look on the app and find that bit of footage. It's a really nice overall solution. Now, this client came to us specifically for one reason, in that they knew that we would do the best job that's possible. Now, with a driving instructor car like this one, obviously the location for the dash camera has to be a little bit unique, and that's again where our team here at CBS Automotive have done an incredible job to make this as perfect as it can be and exactly what the client wanted. So when the client dropped off the car to us, one of the things they mentioned was to have the dash camera in a way that it wouldn't obstruct a view from an examiner who might be sitting in the passenger seat come test day. So what we've done is install the camera. Again, we're working with our client to find the right solution and the right place for the camera. Just put it right in the middle of the screen, just giving it the overall best view, one for the camera, but also not obstructing the view from an examiner who would potentially be sitting in the passenger seat, while also keeping it hidden from the driver's point of view. Again, it's those little things that we need to look out for, and is the most important part to any install at CBS Automotive. It's the attention to detail and the care behind the scenes that we take to make these installs absolutely perfect. Now, security upgrades like a dash camera are a kind of no-brainer to have on your vehicle. There are so many other security upgrades you can add, such as trackers, immobilizers, steering locks, so many different options to protect your vehicle, and we've got plenty of other videos around those products if you'd like to watch those as well. But I hope you've enjoyed today's short little video on dash cameras, especially on learner vehicles, but on any vehicle they can pretty much go into all of them. So please feel free to subscribe to the channel and like this one if you've enjoyed, but I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.